Let's assign the value of 1 to x. We can ask the computer to display case 1 if x is greater than 3, and case 2 if it is less than or equal to 3. Okay, we could write two if statements one after the other. Let's see if we get the correct outcome. Yes, we are in case 2. There is a shorter and better way to express ourselves here. In the second part, instead of saying if x is smaller than or equal to 3, we could write directly else and insert a colon. Else will tell the computer to execute the successive command in all other cases. In our little program, that would mean in all cases when x is not greater than 3. That translates into when x is less than or equal to 3. Let's verify if what we did was correct. Bingo! Case number 2. This picture adds up to the one we saw in the previous lesson. Instead of leading to no output, if the condition is false, we will get to an else code. In our case, this is the command print case 2. Regardless whether the initial condition is satisfied, we will get to the endpoint, so the computer has concluded the entire operation and is ready to execute a new one. Wonderful! Now, please allow me to share 2 notes on the subject. Don't fall into the trap of organizing your code on a whim. There is a strict manner to do that, and indentation plays a key role again. Should you put the else keyword just underneath the first print word, nothing will happen. Remember to place the if and the else keywords on the same vertical line. The if statement, meaning the condition plus the relevant print command, form the first block of code. The entire else statement forms another block of code on its own. In a long sheet with much code, you'll have a whole lot of blocks, and larger programs are constructed on a block-by-block basis. We are ready to look at elif statements. Thanks, and see you in the next video.